everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting yet bittersweet stories in the automotive world, the 2026 BMW Z4, the final chapter of an iconic roadster. Reports suggest that this will be the last hurrah for the G29 generation Z4 before production wraps up in early 2026. So grab your coffee, buckle up, and let's talk about what makes this car so special. The BMW Z4 has been a staple of open-top motoring since it first debuted nearly 2 decades ago. From the sharp-edged E85 to the current G29, each generation brought something unique to the table, a blend of performance, luxury, and pure driving pleasure. And now, as we approach 2026, the curtain is set to fall on this legendary nameplate. At least for now. But don't worry, BMW isn't sending the Z4 off quietly. For its final bow, the 2026 model year promises to deliver everything fans love about this roadster, wrapped in a package that feels both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Let's start where every great sports car does, under the hood. The 2026 Z4 lineup will continue with 2 trims, the Strive 30i and the high-performance M40i. For those who crave power, the M40i steals the show. With 382 horsepower on tap, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. That's supercar territory right there. And here's the cherry on top. For purists, BMW is offering a 6-speed manual transmission as part of the Handschalter package in select markets. Yes, you heard me right, a proper stick shift in 2026. How cool is that? Of course, no discussion about the Z4 would be complete without mentioning its stunning design. The 2026 model keeps the classic proportions we've come to adore. Long hood, short rear deck, and muscular haunches. But it's not all about looks. The soft-top convertible roof can open or close in just 10 seconds, making it perfect for spontaneous drives under the sun or stars. Inside, the 2026 Z4 continues to impress with modern technology. You get a 10.25-inch touchscreen running BMW's latest iDrive 7 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless connectivity. Whether you're navigating twisty mountain roads or cruising through the city, the Z4 keeps you connected and entertained. Now, here's where things get really intriguing. Rumor has it that BMW might release a final edition version of the Z4 to commemorate the end of production. While official details are scarce, if history is any indication, this could mean exclusive paint colors, bespoke interior trimmings, and maybe even some performance tweaks. Imagine owning a piece of automotive history, a true collector's item. It's unclear whether BMW plans to revive the Z4 nameplate in the future, either as an electric vehicle or with a traditional combustion engine. For now, though, this is it, the grand finale. So why should you care about the 2026 BMW Z4? Well, beyond its incredible performance and timeless design, it represents the culmination of decades of engineering excellence. It's a reminder of what made roadsters like the Z4 so magical. Pure driving joy, unfiltered connection to the road, and the freedom that comes with dropping the top and hitting the open highway. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Z4, now might be your last chance. With production ending in March or May 2026, time is running out. This isn't just a car, it's a farewell to an era of motoring that may never return in quite the same way. The 2026 BMW Z4 is more than just another sports car. It's a celebration of everything that makes driving fun. So, whether you're a longtime fan or new to the Z4 family, I hope this video gave you a deeper appreciation for this incredible machine. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Z4's swan song? Would you buy one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and enjoy the ride.